I think the culture that Pierce has created is what sets us apart. We want customers to understand that we are an extension of their organization. Our goal is to help them be competitive.
To help them come up with a design that's best for them and most cost-effective. Inertia welding and Pierce forming allows us to offer unique processes to our customers that most companies don't have.
We all have the ability to go out and buy the latest equipment and machine and make chips faster. The key for us is to be smarter.
Because chips waste money. It's the material you're taking off that's going into the recycle bin. If you can reduce that amount of material up front, then that's really where the cost savings start to come to your customers.
Pierce's goal is to have a 1-to-1 ratio, and we're being driven by raw materials costs.
Pierce forming is a process that we developed over 20 years ago to basically neck down a tube. If you think of a roller that would go into a copier for moving paper, oftentimes it would have a tube with 2 end gudgeons on it. Pierce forming allows us to get that physical structure of the roller just out of a single piece tube instead of having the ends that have to be pre-machined and pressed in. We get the integrity of the part that the customer needs while reducing the material costs and the manufacturing costs of that part.
And then the other one being inertia welding, and this allows us to utilize different metals in areas that are required for the design, but using lower cost materials in areas that there are no functional requirements other than space. The benefits of inertia welding, in addition to cost savings and improved designs, is that you have a very low labor process.
Inertia welding is probably 10 times faster than what traditional welding is, which significantly reduces the cost. And the part is more robust due to the processes that we use.
And so this part is a great example of that, how we're taking the similar metals, utilizing inertia welding, and allowing us to create a part that has very few chips associated to it. There's a secondary benefit to it that goes down to the next level of operation. Part of our culture is to utilize the green thought process that is out there today. We developed an operation that allows a lot of the components that we make come back to us for us to reuse, whether it be in a higher level assembly or for us to recoat or remachine and bring back into the tolerances that are required. The key for remanufacturing refurbishment is that the customer is getting the benefit of the cost savings associated with reusing components.
Pierce is evolving along with our customers and their product needs. Our goal is really to give every customer the best cost solution. Pierce Industries has been in business for over 30 years. We can really apply that knowledge, that history that we have across the board.
Setting the standards high is what we're about. It's ingrained into our philosophy. We work very hard and diligently for that 1-to-1 ratio, and that will always be our goal. Customers should walk away with the knowledge that Pierce is about the full value of their product.